Hello everyone, welcome back to Balmy Hues. Today we can see how to do a 3D decoupage in a very simple way. Here I've taken the printout of gnomes. You can take any picture of your choice. All you need is two copies of the same picture. And I'm cutting it with the scissors. Besides these printouts, I'm taking a tin container. You can take any containers of your choice. And if the background is not white, you may paint it white. Also, I'm applying some Mod Podge and gluing this printout to it softly using a brush. Once the Mod Podge is dried, you can take a glue gun and apply it on the positions where you need the 3D effect. So here I'm applying it on the head, nose, hands and legs of the gnome. Once the hot glue is dried, you can take the other printout and cut out the gnome's nose and hat and paste it using Mod Podge. Stick it softly and apply some more Mod Podge on top of it. And here goes the legs and snow, and stick it in the same manner. I'm painting the background using dark caramel color. By mixing cream and brown, you can paint as per your choice. I'm brightening the white portion using white gel pen. This is a very simple and less expensive 3D decoupage which you can easily try at home. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell to get notified as and when I post new content. I'm using this as a Christmas cookie tin. You may go ahead and decorate any objects of your choice with this 3D decoupage easily at home. You can decorate as per your choice. Here I'm adding the word Merry. Thank you for joining me here. Have a good day.